All right, here's a quick video for you out there with the whirlpool w10916014 or something equivalent that has a display like this. If you're a handy like me, and when you're replacing the filter up there, you want to use a hose, and let's just fill up a bucket because it's so much easier. Well, if you're not careful, you will pop that up. So you take a flat blade screwdriver here, here, here. That will pop the panel off. You can see the tabs. And then you remove this wire here, and I took that one off. Probably not needed. You probably just get away with taking the blue. Let's test this theory. Take the blue one. There you go. Now it's just dangling there. So what happened was I pushed up too hard and it popped it out here. So you just make sure you line that little nipple right there, and then take that and plop it back down, and there you go. Reassemble. Hook the wire up. And actually, while you're in here, since you got a better view, you might as well clean this area. Wipe it down, disinfect it, and whatnot, because that is pretty nasty. Good luck. Hopefully you didn't break the tab.